So today we'll be doing a lead code question called Excel sheet column title. Here we are given some set of rules, okay, like A is denoted by 1, B is denoted by 2, so on, Z is denoted by 26. Now we will given a certain number n. Suppose here in this case it is 28, and that 28 when converted will be denoted by AB. Similarly, we have another number called 701. When converted, is denoted by Z and Y, ZY. Now, usually we'll see like how this conversion went on, but usually this question is much similar to a question called normal decimal to binary conversion, where we have certain number n and we have to convert it to 101, so on, right? So the question is much similar to this. Here we have a decimal number n and we have to convert it to something called a, b, z, y, a, b, c, d, f, a, okay. Question is much similar to that. And so these are some examples. Usually what happens is A is denoted by 0, B is denoted by 1, C is denoted by 2, right? So Z is denoted by 25. But here it's a bit different, right? A is denoted by 1, B is denoted by 2, so on. So we have to keep that in mind. So let's dry run some example, right? Let's dry run some example. If I had to dry run, let's take dry running these two examples only. Okay, 28. So 28 divided by 26. What is the quotient? What is the remainder? Okay, so we know that remainder is the one that we will be using for the conversion. Why are we using stack here? Okay, we are using stack here because the answer will be in the reverse order, right? We'll see that. 28 divided by 26. Quotient is 1. Remainder is 2. Okay. Now what is 2 denoting? 2 is denoting B. 2 is denoting B, right? 2 is denoting B. B is denoting by 2. Now we will get the quotient 1. Get the quotient 1. And again divide by 26. Now what we got, when 1 divided by 26, quotient as 0 and remainder as 1. Okay, remainder as 1. Now what is 1 denoting? 1 is denoting A, right? 1 is denoting A, so 1 is denoting A. Now as soon as we got 0 as quotient, we have to stop. Okay, and now we in the stack we have B, A. Now just pop it and push it in the answer string. That will be equivalent to AB. Now that's good. Edge case. What is the edge case here? Edge case is usually dealt by Z, right? We have some discomfort with Z. 701. Let's see how that goes. 701 divided by 26. We got quotient as 26, remainder as 25. Remainder as 25, that's fine. What is 25 denoting? Y, right? 26 is Z, so that means Y must be denoted by 25. So 25 is Y. Now get the quotient, divide by 26. We got 1 as the quotient. Okay, leave it. We got remainder as 0. Now remainder 0 is actually Z only. Okay, we will never get 26 as remainder, right? When you will do 26 divided by 26, the remainder will always be 0, or 26 into some k divided by 26, the remainder will always be 0. But that the 0 is actually the Z, right? The 0 is actually the Z. Let's suppose that we are given the n equals to 26 only. So what should be the answer here? Answer here should be Z, right? Obviously, by seeing this one only. How is this achieved? So 26 divided by 26, quotient will be 1 and remainder will be 0. So this 0 is signifying that this is Z only, and we have to decrease this quotient by 1. 1 minus 1, that is equals to 0. Okay, now we achieved 0, we stop. Likewise, okay, now this 0 is actually Z only. You have to remember that. So let's get back to the dry run. So 701 divided by 26, we got quotient as 26, remainder as 25. Cool. We have to, we denoted y. 26 goes down, 26 divided by 26, quotient come as 1. Okay, and remainder comes as 0. So okay, 0 is denoting Z. Okay, we got y, we got Z, we got y, we got Z. Now, as I'm also, quotient will become quotient minus 1. Okay, and quotient will become quotient minus 1. That will be 1 minus 1, right? 1 minus 1, 0. And now 0, we have to stop. Now this could have been something else also, right? This could have been 0, this could have been 3. Quotient can be 3. But that's not the case here, right? So it's 1, it's 26. So that's why it's 1. Okay, now let's go down to the code. String, we will be returning a string. Okay, we will be returning a string. We were given an input n parameter. Okay, now we will be taking a string for storing the answer, right? Now we are running a while loop here, a while loop till n is not equals to 0. Okay, n not equals to 0. Okay, we will calculate the quotient, we'll calculate the remainder, and now we are focused more on the remainder, right? So if the remainder is 0, let's focus on this code. If remainder is 0, that means it is Z. Okay, if remainder is 0, it is Z. What we will do, we have this answer string, push it in the answer string Z, and quotient will become quotient minus 1. Damn, there's something very wrong that I did here. Quotient will become quotient minus 1. Quotient will become quotient minus 1, and here if this is not, if this is else case means it is a to y. Okay, a to y. So now we have to calculate the character is basically a, let's say it is 1. Now the remainder is 1. If it is 0, then this is this case, right? But if it's not 0, then this is this case. So remainder, let's suppose it is 1. 1 means a, right? So character c is equal to a plus, it should be 0. A plus 0 is a, right? So but we have 1, so a plus remainder minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So a plus 0, that is a only. We'll push that in C. Now here's one more thing we need to do. Is after that we have to convert n equals to q. Okay, n equals to q, and then we can close this thing. And now that we have a string, the string is containing something like BA, right? The string is containing something like BA. We have to no, BA is the string. So we have to reverse it. Now reverse this answer string, and we will return this answer string. This should definitely work. Okay, Okay, yeah, this should work. Try running this, try writing this in your own personal computer, and it's 10 minutes video, so have a nice day.